Have you ever wondered if you've ever come across a wealthy person? Like a millionaire, or maybe even a billionaire, walking down the street looking just like everybody else. You know, normal, no fancy cars, no designer clothes, just blending in. These are the secretly wealthy, and they're everywhere. But why do the cloak and dagger act? Is it a strategic move for their businesses, or a cultural shift away from conspicuous consumption? In a world where everyone flaunts their riches on social media, it is refreshing to see actual wealthy people keeping it low-key. And if you're anything like me who is quite curious about knowing how to spot a secretly wealthy person, then tag along on this video. Welcome to Financial Literacy. Here, we are dedicated and passionate about bringing you nothing but honest and straightforward facts about your money. We will help you take control of your finances and get you to the next level. Beginners or experienced, this is your one-stop shop for all things financial literacy. Today, I will give you 5 tips on how to spot a wealthy person. Let's put on our Sherlock hats, shall we? Number 1. Look closely at their unique fashion sense. Let me break it down for you. The quietly wealthy dress in a way that screams low-key. You won't find them wrapped in flashy brands head to toe, with price tags almost visible from space. Rather, they might be seen in simple tees, comfortable jeans, or a classic jacket. Their definition of fashion is having a relaxed, understated look. Nope. You didn't hear it wrong. No bling, no flashy logos, or anything that hints at its hefty price. It's not that they can't afford a wardrobe full of Prada or Chanel. They can. But they have an entirely different vibe. They would much prefer to snug into something comfortable, opting for feel-good, lasting materials over making a grander fashion statement. Now, here's the real kicker. This simplicity isn't just their style choice. It's like an economy class ticket to freedom. They would rather be known for who they are, not for what they wear. Just imagine that, living in a world where your worth is not judged by the brand of your shirt, but by your character. The wealthy have already checked into this world. Their approach towards fashion has a silent motto: simple is the new rich. Now, wouldn't that be a nice world to live in? Number 2. Look at their value for time. It's not always about flashy cars or overflowing stock portfolios, you know. A true wealthy person knows the value of their time. Unlike money, which can come back, time is a precious, irreplaceable resource. Yeah, sure, they have a lot of money, but they do know they have the same 24-hour day as everyone else. Time for them is the ultimate luxury, and you already know, time is money. You won't find them stuck, mowing lawns or wrestling with leaky faucets. They've mastered the art of delegation, freeing them up for the real game changers. Activities that multiply their wealth. So, your neighbor who seems perfectly normal because they have a gardener, plumber, and babysitter? They might be the wealthy people you're looking for. Number 3. They are obsessed with goals. For wealthy people, goals aren't just dreams. They are an obsession. For them, dreams shouldn't be just dreams. Imagine a lone eagle soaring through the sky, its eyes fixed on a specific target. That's the kind of unwavering focus these individuals bring to their ambitions. They don't get sidetracked by fleeting trends or distractions. Instead, they stay disciplined and relentless, just like a dedicated athlete resisting unhealthy temptations. Goals are more than just the finish line for them. They're the entire journey. They map out their path, own it completely, and then charge forward with unwavering determination. Forget the crowd's chatter. Their motto is, my goals, my focus, no time for distractions. This unwavering dedication fuels their success, leaving them free to strategize their next move, while others get caught up in the daily grind. So keep that in mind the next time you see someone so focused on their objectives that they appear unaware of the newest trends on Twitter. You may have found another member from the Hidden Wealthy Club. Let's celebrate the happiness that comes from having objectives that outweigh the inane conversations among the audience. Now, how about being the same thing, you gold digger? Number 4. Look at their confident demeanor. The wealthy person doesn't need a spotlight. They are not waving out their wallets like those influencers you see. Remember that saying, confidence isn't about thinking you're better, it's knowing you don't have to compare. That's the secret motto tattooed on the souls of these stealthy millionaires. They don't care about keeping up with the Jonases because they're already playing a whole different game. One where validation comes from within, not flashy displays. The rest of the world might be bragging and shoving each other in the race to be the richest, but the secretly wealthy? They're chilling in the VIP section, radiating quiet confidence that speaks louder than any shout-out. They're not like kittens chasing after a laser pointer, all excited about fleeting things. They're more like majestic lions, confident and secure in their power. So the next time you see someone with calm confidence, someone who doesn't flinch at the noise around them, take a closer look. You might have just stumbled upon the secret code of wealth. They might not be wearing a flashing sign that says, "I'm loaded," but their confidence is playing a beautiful song of success. So if I were you, listen closely or you might miss the whole tune. Number 5. They have a relaxed attitude towards money. Lastly, ever noticed how some people just never seem to mention their finances? Like it's a top secret spy mission to keep their bank accounts under wraps. The funny thing is, the ones with the most cash are often the most tight-lipped. Why? Because they've reached financial enlightenment, the art of not letting money stress them out. Stocks, bonds, savings. It's all just background noise to them. Why get bogged down by the financial chatter when you've got a comma party going on in your bank statement? The secretly wealthy are masters of chill. They know when to play the game and when to walk away. After all, what's the point of building a fortune if you're constantly worried about spending a dime? So the next time you meet someone who dodges money talks, like a rogue dodgeball, take note. You might be in the presence of a stealth wealth ninja. They've cracked the code to living large without the drama, leaving the rest of us wondering how they can afford those luxurious vacations on a regular person's salary. Pretty sneaky, huh? So, the next time you're out and about, keep these signs in mind. The wealthy might be closer than you think, just blending in the crowd. They may not be shouting their success from the rooftops, but with these 5 tips, you might just crack the code to spot wealthy people. And who knows? You might also discover the secret to a life of financial freedom. And as always, thank you for watching. If you want to see more, hit that subscribe button to get notified of our latest videos.